In this video, I'll show you exactly how to join and use the Temu affiliate program in 2025. First, open Google and search Become Temu Affiliate. Click the first official result. This will take you to Temu's affiliate sign-up page. Now make sure you're signed into your Temu account. Once you're logged in, you'll be automatically approved to join the program. No application needed. Here's how it works. You'll see tabs like Affiliate, Hot Items, and Invite Friends. Tap Share to get your personal referral link. Copy that link and share it anywhere with friends, on social media, in group chats. Every time someone signs up using your link, you earn a referral bonus. As of now, Temu pays up to $8 per person who signs up through their link. Your earnings will appear inside your affiliate dashboard. Once you hit the minimum payout threshold, just tap Withdraw. Choose PayPal, connect your account, and you can cash out your balance instantly. And that's all it takes. Simple setup, no approval wait, and a great way to earn extra income in 2025 with the Temu affiliate program.